everyone. Welcome to KidsMAKE, brought to you by the Pikes Peak Library District. Today I'm going to teach you how to make some really beautiful black glue and watercolor butterflies. This is what you'll need. A small bottle of school glue or plain white glue, a small bottle of black acrylic paint, some watercolors and a paintbrush, and a piece of plain white cardstock. And then you're also going to need a jar or glass of water to rinse your paintbrush. First, you'll need to make some black glue. It's easy to make. You just add your black acrylic paint to your bottle of white glue until you have a nice dark color, and then you just shake it up or stir it up really well. Copy the half butterfly picture onto the cardstock using the image provided. If you don't have a printer, it's okay. You can draw your own butterfly. Just make sure that your lines aren't too close together and keep it simple. Fold the butterfly picture exactly in half and then unfold it so that you have a crease in the middle. Draw a fine line of glue over each of the lines that you printed or drew. Don't use too much glue, and it's okay if it's not perfect. While the glue is still wet, fold the side that you did not glue onto the side that you did glue and press gently. When you unfold your paper, your design will be duplicated on the other side. Now you need to let the black glue dry completely. If you want to speed things up a little bit, you can use a hairdryer set on low heat. When your glue is dry, fill in the white parts on both sides with the watercolors. If you want to make your butterfly symmetrical, put the same color in the same spot on both sides. Real butterflies are mostly symmetrical, but not exact. There are a few minor differences. You can repeat the project as many times as you want, and the fun part is, no matter how many times you do it, your butterfly will never come out exactly the same way twice. Thanks for watching. You can find lots of other great craft projects on PPLD TV. Bye for now.